afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yesterday's class we discussed about types of matrices, isn't it? So recall the different types of matrices. Go through the definition. What is a matrix? Michael, what is a matrix?
It's a rectangular arrangement of items in rows or columns.
It is the rectangular arrangement of items or entries in rows and columns. Okay, Ashwin, can you list out different types of matrix? See, and this different types of matrix and all, no need to open their notebook and wait.
Row matrix, column matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, zero matrix, identity or unit matrix, matrix.
Okay. Nandana, define row matrix.
Matrix that has only one row.
Matrix that having only one row. Emmanuel, column matrix.
One column
Don't write like this for the exam.
ordered
Okay.
by m into 1.
A matrix having one column. Okay, that one is written in the sentence form. It is not fill in the blanks. Okay, if it is asked to define, you should define it properly. Then only we will get the marks. Okay. Dia. Okay, how many elements will be present in a 2 by 3 matrix? How many elements are present in a 2 by 3 matrix?
6.
6. Aryan, in a 3 by 3 matrix?
9.
9. Punya, define square matrix.
A matrix which has equal number of rows and columns.
Gauri, scalar
Yes.
matrix. Scalar matrix.
It is a diagonal matrix in which diagonal entries are same.
Diagonal entries are same numbers. If you are getting, we call it as. Okay. Now, Rijas, identity matrix.
It is a scalar matrix. All diagonal entries are 1.
It is a scalar matrix in which all the diagonal entries are 1. What about a zero matrix? Sanya.
It is a matrix in which all the entries are zero.
Okay. It is a matrix in which all the entries are 0. Okay. Nia, switch on. Now write the next heading, equality of matrices. Next heading, equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. Okay, now listen, children. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal. Two matrices A and B are equal. Two matrices are equal if the first thing is, okay, two things should happen. First one, they are of same order. They are of same order. Order must be same. They are of same order. Second one, their corresponding elements are equal. their corresponding elements are equal. If these two things happen, then we say the matrices are equal. So two matrices A and B are said to be equal if they are of same order. Second one, their corresponding elements are equal. Their corresponding elements are equal. Their corresponding elements are equal, or corresponding entries are equal. For example, suppose A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Are they equal? Are they equal? A is no. Why? Matrix A is not equal to B. Here the first condition is not satisfied, isn't it? When you say two matrices to be equal, if they are of same order and the corresponding entries are same, order must be same and the corresponding entries must be same, isn't it? Suppose I am writing like this. A is matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 5. Are they equal?
No, ma'am,
No. Why?
because second
Second condition is not satisfied, isn't it? They are of same order. First condition is satisfied. They are of same order. Order is 2 by 2. But their entries are not equal. Okay, here also we can write A is not equal to B. Now, suppose I write A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. And B is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. Are they equal? Yes. Isn't it? If two matrices are equal, then their orders are same and the corresponding entries are equal. Orders are same and the corresponding entries are equal. Okay, based on this equality of matrices, you will get some 1 mark question. Based on this equality of matrices, you will get few 1 mark question. For example, okay, now listen, you copied all those things children. Is it okay? Is it okay? Ashwin, when you say two
Yes,
matrices
ma'am.
to be equal. When you say two matrices
Ma'am,
to
two
be
matrices
equal.
are said to be equal if they are of same element and they are corresponding. The corresponding elements are
Aryan, when you say two matrices to be equal.
When they are of same order and their corresponding elements are equal.
And the corresponding elements are equal. Okay, now you can equate this and you can find the answer easily. Okay, you'll get 1 mark questions from this topic. Suppose it is given like this. If matrix 2x, 3, 4, 4y is equal to matrix 8, 3, 4, 5. Find x and y. What is the answer? It is given matrices are equal, isn't it? We are given matrices are equal. If matrices are equal, we are writing here this matrix is equal to this matrix. That means the matrices are same. If the matrices are equal, what do you know? Order must be same and the corresponding entries are same. So what is the value of x and y? Achut, what's the value of x and y?
I don't understand.
Hmm.
Like, can we give 2x is equal to 8?
Yes. What is given here? Matrices are equal. Okay, it is given these two matrices are equal. When will you say two matrices are equal, order must be same and the corresponding entries are same. So here first row, second element is same as first row, second element. Second row, first element are same. So same way here, these two entries will be same. So what you can write? 2x is equal to 8. Therefore, what is the value of x?
4, ma'am.
4. Similarly, y will be equal to Okay, you get one more question in this form. Equating. We are equating two matrices. If two matrices are equal, corresponding entries are equal. Okay, I thought of giving some extra questions. All right, on. Write the question. Write the question. Find x, y, and z. Find x, y, and z if matrix. Find x, y, and z if matrix 2x plus 3 if matrix 2x plus 3 y minus 2 3z minus 2 3 equal to matrix 7 4 10 3. Find x, y, and z. Find x, y, and z. What is the answer, children? Punya, give the value of x.
X is equal to 2.
X is equal to 2. Atul, what is the value of y?
6.
6. Aditya, value of z? 4. Others, check. Is it correct? Is it correct? Check it, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is it okay? Now listen, children. Suppose you are given write this question. It's a one mark question. Suppose we are given with 8 elements. Suppose we are given with 8 elements. What are the possible orders of the matrix? What are the possible orders of a matrix? What are the possible orders of the matrix? We are given with 8 elements. What are the possible orders for the matrix? So find out. You are given 8 elements. Michael, is it clear? Suppose you are given with 8 elements. What are the possible orders? What are the possible order means? Which are the different ways you can arrange? In how many rectangular ways you can arrange? Find out. In each case, what is the order? Ashwin, what is the answer, Ashwin?
Don't know, ma'am.
Can anyone give the answer, Gauri?
1 by 8, 8 by 1, 2 by 4, and 4 by 2.
Very good. Okay, children, we are given with, suppose you are, okay, I'm not taking 8, suppose I'm taking 4. Okay, suppose we are given with 4 elements. Which all the ways we can arrange the 4 elements like this. Okay, so in this case, what is the order? 1 by 4. Is there no? Suppose I arrange like this. What are the different arrangements? So if it is 4 by 1. Or we can arrange like this. 2. So what is the order here? 2 by 2.
Right.
Okay, in all these cases, if you take, these are all factors, isn't it? We are possible factors of 8, possible factors of 4. So we'll get 1 by 4, 4 by 1, 2 by 2. Okay, apart from that, is there any other arrangements? Atul?
No, ma'am.
No. Suppose I give 3 elements. Krishna Chandran, suppose I give 3 elements. What are the possible arrangements? Krishna Chandran. If I give 3 elements, what are the possible arrangements you can do? Yes.
1 by 3.
1 by 3.
3 by
3 by 1. 1 by 3. 3 by 1. Right? Krishna
3 by 1.
Chandran. 1 by 3 and 3 by 1. Okay, in the same way, try this one. Okay, correct. Okay, you take out the possible factors of 8. What are the factors of 8? 1 and 3. So 1 by 8, 3 by 1. Same way, try this one. 8 elements are there. 8 elements are there. Finished. Gauri. Gauri, she gave the answer earlier itself. Nia, you try the answer, Nia.
1 by 8, 2 by 4,
Yes.
4 by
Yes.
8 by 1.
Yes. Only these 4 arrangements are there. Is it okay, Gayatri? Is it clear, children? Punya, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen, children. Okay, I'm going to ask another question. Suppose, okay, a matrix has 15 elements. Okay, listen, children. A matrix has 15 elements. Which of the following is not an order? It's not the possible order of the given matrix. given which of the following is not the order for arranging the given elements in the matrix form? Which of the following, given 15 elements, which of the following is not the order of the matrix when, when the elements are arranged in the matrix form? Yes, who is giving the answer? Is it Achyut? What is the answer, Achyut?
But
2 by 10, isn't it? Why 2 by 10?
then the total elements will be 20.
Total elements will be 20. Okay. Sometimes you will get 1 mark questions in this form. Okay. Based on this, they will give some metrics, some orders will be given. Is it possible? Will it be possible or not? Suggest your answer. Discuss. Discuss. Okay. Discuss means what you have to do. See, when I say this, now okay, here discuss means what you have to do. You should explain it. Don't leave simply, it is not, it is yes. If it is given discuss, you should explain that one. Explanation will carry marks. Is it clear? Don't simply write, yes. Here, 2 by 10 is not possible. Why it is not possible? You should explain it. 2 by 10, a matrix of order 2 by 10 will contain 20 elements, isn't it? A matrix of order 2 by 10 will contain 20 elements. But here, how many elements are there? Krishna Chandran, with whom we are talking there? Huh? With whom we are talking? No. Huh? Okay, how many elements are there? Only 15 elements are there, isn't it? There are 15 elements. So always keep it in mind. Number of elements in the matrix will be same as product of number of rows into number of columns. Number of elements in the matrix will be same as product of number of rows into number of columns. Okay. Now write the next one. Next one. Capital A is equal to matrix Aij is equal to 2, 3, minus 5, 1, 4, 9, 0, 7, minus 2. Capital B is equal to matrix Bij is equal to matrix 2, 1, minus 1, minus 3, 4, 4, 1, 5, 2. Find first one A12 plus B23. Second one A22 plus B32. Third one A11 plus B22 plus A33. Find out. What is meant by A12? Write the question. Navrin, which one you want to copy, Navrin? To copy this.
Last one.
1 second, children. Is it this one?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Finished? Is it over, children? Okay. Now tell me, Michael, what is A12? Can you give the entry A12?
1.
A12. What is meant by A12? First row, second element. So what is the
Oh.
first row, second element? Is it 1?
3.
3. Plus, what is B23? Now read.
4.
4. So what is the answer? This 7, isn't it? Now, Mike, not Michael. Emmanuel, A22. Emmanuel, 4. A22, second row, second column. Plus, Dia, what is B32? 5. So the answer is 9, isn't it? Then, Rijas, A11.
2.
2 plus B22. Yes, Rijas.
4. 4.
4. Aryan, A33. Aryan, A33. Yes, Aryan. Aryan is there?
-2.
-2. So +2 -2 will get cancelled. The answer will be 4. Okay, this 4. Okay. Now, next one. Okay, so next one, I'm not going to help. Let me check how many of you are going to do this one. A is equal to matrix Aij, where Aij is equal to I plus j if I greater than or equal to j. I minus j if I less than or equal to j. Construct 3/2 matrix. Construct 3/2 matrix. Capital A is given like this, matrix Aij. What is Aij? I plus j if I is greater than or equal to j. I minus j if I is less than or equal to j. Construct 3/2 matrix. Yes, right. Yes.
I don't understand the question actually.
Think it. For the exam, listen, children. For the board exam, don't expect what Miss is teaching. Only that one will only learn how to convert that concept into application level.
Ma'am,
Yes, Gauri.
ma'am, for A11, I is equal to J, right? So which equation will be used?
You do it. After 2 minutes, I'll be giving the answer. Think which one will come. You check it. Atul finished?
No, ma'am.
What about Nandana? Krishna Chandran got the answer?
Oh, ma'am.
Okay. Let me check who is giving the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
when I is equal to J.
That is what Gauri asked. Okay. Earlier Gauri also asked the same one. Find out. This definition is given. Find out. These are the questions, board exam questions, children. Okay. The questions which we are discussing in the class are all board exam questions. I'll be giving the textbook questions and all as homework. Sometimes some questions will be from the textbook also. Okay. Is it over? How many of you got the answer? How many of you got the matrix? Raise your hands. Raise your hand. No one is here? Achut got the answer. Okay. What about the others? Yes. Whether it is correct or wrong, not a matter. You have solved it or not. How many of you solved it? Okay. Emmanuel, Nandana, Sania, Gayatri, Michael. Huh? Why? Punya. Okay. Gauri, Atul. Okay. Okay. It's in maths. First, say the main. Somewhere. Okay. What is the answer? Try this one. How will you do this? It is given as a 3/2 matrix, isn't it? And capital A is given. So can you write down the entries of capital A? What are the entries of capital A? It is a 3/2 matrix. So we know 3 rows and 2 columns are there, isn't it? 3 rows and 2 columns. So what are the, how will you name those 3 rows and 2 columns there? First row, first element, A11. Only 2 columns are there. A12. Then second row, A21, A22, A231, A32. Up to this only it is possible. 3/2, 6 elements. Is it okay? Now find out what is A11. A11, Aij, isn't it? I is number of rows, J is column. A11, I equals J. Both the cases you are getting. Here also is there. So can we say question is wrong? Check out the answer here. When I put I is equal to J, what you will get? I plus J. You'll be getting I equals J. So it will be 2. Or what is the other case you will get? I 0. Both the values you are getting here, isn't it? Now look at the next case. What is A12? I is less than J. What is when I is less than j? See, this is a board exam question, children. This one is a board exam question, not by CBSE. It is from the Kerala board. Okay, Kerala board exam. Now A12. A12, I is less than j. So 2, 1 minus 2. What is 1 minus 2? Minus 1. Then find out the next one. A21. What is A21? I is greater than j. So 2 plus 1, which is 3. What about A22? 2 plus 2. Either you will get 4 or 0, isn't it? Then next case. A23. Sorry, not A23. A31. A31. What about A31?
4.
This 4. Then A32. This 5. Okay, so when you set the matrix, listen children, when you set the matrix, okay, what are the values I got for A11? I got 2 values. Suppose I set the first value. Suppose I take the first value 2. A12, no change at all, minus 1. Here again, what is the value? 3. Here again 0 and 4 is there. Suppose I take 4. Then the next one is 4. Next is 5. Okay, this is one matrix. Same way, you can, okay, I'll change, keep the first element 2, minus 1, 3. Instead of 4 here, I can write 0, 4, 5. What are the possible matrices? All the matrices you can write. Again, so first element is 2. Only this element I have changed. Again, the first element may be 0, 1, 3, 4, 4, 5. The other one is 0, 1, 3, 0, 4, 5. Is it clear, children? So I'll be able to construct 4 3/2 matrix here. So again, here it is given like a question. Maybe this type of questions. How many possible matrices are there? How many possible matrices? I can define 4 different matrices. Okay, just not from the CBSE set, just from the Kerala board exam type. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to ask another 1 mark question, that is, okay, now look at here, by changing this first element, we are getting, okay, different matrices. Likewise, here is another important 1 mark question. It's a very important 1 mark question. That question is available in your textbook also. It is a 1 mark question. Write the question. Find the number of all matrices. Find the number of all matrices of order 3/3. Of order 3/3. With each entry.
Can you say once more, ma'am?
Find the number of all possible matrices. Find the number of all possible matrices of order 3/3. Find the number of all possible matrices of order 3/3. With each entry 0 or 1. With each entry 0 or 1. With each entry 0 or 1. Okay. What is the question given here? It is a 3/3 matrix. I want to frame a 3/3 matrix using the entries 0s and 1. Either you fill it 0 or 1. All the entries are either filled with 0 or 1. How many matrices can be made? How many possible matrices are there? Suppose I take the first place. Okay. Each entry can be filled in how many ways? Permutation and combination we are using here. Each entry can be filled in how many ways? 2 ways. Is that not? Either we can fill it with 0 or we can fill it. And total, how many places are there? How many entries are there total? In a 3 by 3 matrix, what is the number of elements? 9. Okay. So the number of elements in a 3 by 3 matrix is 9. So number of matrices is, children, this formula, okay, it is not there in your textbook. Earlier we had, now it is removed. Okay, if 2 objects are there, if 2 ways are there, if you fill a place in 2 ways and 9 objects are there, means number of matrices is 2 raised to 9. How many matrices we can frame? 2 raised to 9. Okay, so in general, suppose 3, okay, the formula is like this. Suppose 2 ways are there. Okay, so earlier you had some questions in this form. Okay, now not only now when you go for entrance exam, you will get such questions. If it is yes or no question means, okay, either yes or no. So each question will be having 2 answers, either yes. Okay, now here we are using that concept. Okay, there are either it can be, we are going to fill it with 0 or 1 and 9 places are there. So it will be 2 raised to 9. Number of matrices we can form is 2 raised to 9. Okay, so with this, we complete the first exercise in your textbook. Today's homework is you have to do the first exercise 3.1. When you solve the homework questions, write the question and solve. Don't simply write the answer. How you have to do? Write the date, write the question, and then answer it. So first exercise, homework. Few questions might we have done in the class, no problem. Do all the questions once again. So first exercise is homework. Okay. This I end the session now. Thank you.
Thank you.